Hi guys, today I'm showing you one new React video, how to make money YouTube 2016. Thank you, please see it.
Hey, what's up guys, JIbon here, welcome back to another Minecraft Monday. So well, today I wasn't really in the mood to test out another hack client, but I thought let's talk about YouTube money. So you guys know I'm doing YouTube as some kind of a job, not really, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. In the background you can see some gameplay from the Hive MC, so yeah, actually all my accounts are banned on the Hive, but not Flo's account, and we had a little bit of fun with Flo's account, but well, first round we got banned and we didn't even win this round, but yeah, you can just see it in the background, and I would say let's talk about money. Alright guys, so a lot of you guys want to know how to earn money on YouTube, then what you can earn, and yeah, basically how to get free devices or sponsorships and all that. And I just try to explain it a little bit. Now, I'm sorry if you look down, I did note down some keywords for you guys so that I don't miss anything. And first of all, I want to say thank you to you guys. So I have 2 million views a month, which is really quite a lot, almost 150,000 subscribers, and each one of you guys is making this possible. So well, as I've told you, YouTube is almost a job for me, so I dedicate a lot of time into YouTube. That means like 6 to 8 hours a day I'm sitting in front of the computer doing several things, so writing emails, then preparing videos, cutting videos, then I'm recording something on the desk. So really I waste a lot of time for YouTube, but there is money coming back from YouTube, so it's really like a job, and probably in the future there could be a lot of money coming from YouTube. So right now I can't really do it as a full-time job. I mean, I could do it, but it's not something I would say I earn a lot. So I earn a little bit of money, we'll talk about numbers later, but it's right now not really something where I would say it's a full-time job for me, except of the time I dedicate to it. Okay, so how does it work? How do you earn money on YouTube? Now, when you watch a video, so a video from me for instance, and you don't have ad block. So if you have ad block, I'm okay with that guys, because you know there are so many ads on YouTube and I know it's quite annoying. And yeah, ad block basically just blocks the ads in front of the video. So if you don't see anything, if you watch my video, it's probably not monetized or you're using ad block, okay? And there is something you need to know, or some word you should know the meaning of, and this is CPM. So I think it stands for cost per mil or something like that. Anyway, CPM stands for how much money you get for 1,000 impressions. That means if 1,000 people see a monetized video and it's really monetized and they all see the ad, then you get for 1,000 impressions a couple of dollars, okay? Depending on the topic. So I'm a tech channel, gaming channel. For gaming the CPM is very low, so you need a lot of views to make money out of gaming. Then for instance for beauty, so you probably know Bibi's Beauty Blaze or something like that. It's a German channel. She has millions of subscribers, millions of views, and yeah, she gets a lot of money out of the channel. Also all the other beauty bloggers, I have no idea what kind of beauty bloggers there are, but honestly I have to say they are making a lot of money. Then tech channels, tech is also a category where I can earn a lot of money, so this is not really why I do tech. I love tech, but also you're getting a good CPM if you have a tech channel. So now, let me explain how it works. Now first of all, you need to bring unique content. So the content has to come from you, then you can monetize your videos. That means ads are being displayed on your video. That means you need to have the full copyright on the video, otherwise you can't monetize it. So this is why channels which are re-uploading stuff sometimes don't monetize their videos, okay? So they're not making any money. Then it works like this. So people are watching the video, there are ads in front of that, and for 1,000 impressions you get a number of dollars or amount of dollars depending on your category, depending on the time of the year, because Adsense really sucks. So for instance in January it's very low, nobody's buying ads in January. So there was just Christmas and people invested in Christmas, so for the big business before Christmas, and then in January, yeah, nobody's buying stuff. So why would you waste money for ads in January? Useless. So also the CPM usually drops a lot in January, and I didn't make a lot of money in January. That was pretty bad. So yeah, how much can you make from AdSense? Now you have to understand that you don't get the 100%. So YouTube has a 60% cut. That means they take 60% from the money and you actually get paid 40, or maybe it's 40, 60, I have no idea right now, but basically YouTube gets some money. Now I'm in a network, okay? That means the network is handling stuff for you and they're trying to promote you and all that stuff. And yeah, if you're in a network, they also want to get something for their for the stuff they do for you, okay? So you have like a 90-10 cut. This is what I have. So I get 90%, my network gets 10%. And that means another 10% going off to the network. Then you probably have to pay tax and all that. And in the end, you earn actually little money. So with 2 million views, you can actually say, I currently the CPM, I don't know, it's like $1 to $2 per 1,000 views. So just calculate that if you have 1 million views, it would equal like $1,000. And also not every view is monetized. A lot of people are using ad blockers. So if you have 2 million views, it could really be possible that, for instance, like 50% are using ad blockers and only 1 million views are monetized. That means you get 1 million times $1 or $2, which could be something between $1,000 and $2,000, okay? So this is how that works. That's AdSense, and I have to say AdSense sucks really. If you want to live from AdSense only, then you have to be a genius, or you have to be a beauty blogger, or you need to have a lot of views. That means millions of views. So with 2 millions, it's hard to survive with AdSense only. But for sure, there are other possibilities to earn money on YouTube. And that is actually affiliate marketing. So this is something I also do, and it's not a lot because I don't have so much traffic and not so many people are clicking the links down below in the description. But it works like this. For instance, you create an affiliate account on Amazon. Then you can search for products you have reviewed. Like, for instance, I've reviewed, let's say the OnePlus One or OnePlus 2, okay? Then you search the OnePlus 2 on Amazon, you can create an affiliate link. It's like a shortened link. You put in your description and you tell the guys, just click down below in the description, you will find the cheapest prices on Amazon, and they click it, and then a cookie is saved in the browser. So it's basically a 24 hours cookie which tracks the activity. So Amazon sees, they click the link from ITX Tutor. That means ITX Tutor referred those people to Amazon. And I'm actually bringing Amazon sales which they wouldn't have, because otherwise, probably they wouldn't have gone to Amazon. They just checked out my cookie, my link, and then they were moved to Amazon, and then they bought some random shit. So they don't even have to buy the phone I've linked. So they can even buy, I don't know, a dildo on Amazon. It really doesn't matter what they buy. So just in 24 hours, it's a 24 hours cookie, and everything they buy in 24 hours, you get a percentage from the money. So it's like up to 7%, and the maximum it's also capped with, I don't know, 20 euro or something like that. So it's a pretty cool thing to earn money in a passive way. All you have to do is just put a link down below in the description. But I have to say it's not really a lot for me. So it's like 80 euros a month right now. This is something I can say, yes. So it's really not a lot. I mean, it's nice, but if you keep in mind how much money I've invested in my YouTube channel and everything, it's really not a lot. Then another way to earn money on YouTube is sponsored videos. And with sponsored videos you can earn a lot of money. The best example is Linus Tech Tips. I think you guys know him. So he has one of the biggest tech channels, a couple of million subscribers, and for companies this is a big reach. So companies actually come to Linus and they apply for sponsored videos. That means they are paying him money for being featured in front of the videos. It's like an advertisement spot before the video actually begins, or just a shout out to the company. And I was watching a graphics card review, and out of nowhere he said, this video is brought to you by this toothbrush company. And I was like, just what the fuck, a toothbrush company? And also at the end of this video he was just naming some other company. But well, doesn't matter, he got money for those advertisements. And there are also companies and they want to pay that amount of money, even though it must be quite a lot, because Linus Tech Tips has a big reach. Then for me, I also had some sponsored videos, so I earned a little bit of money from that. But I have to say my reach is not big enough, and mostly I have cooperations with Chinese companies and they never want to pay anything. So they want to send you free stuff, mostly crappy shit, so some $50 smartphones, and you have to do it yesterday. So you have to be really fast. They ask you every day, they annoy you. But yeah, I'm just doing it because I have a lot of fun with testing those products, but so much money is not coming out of that. And actually, I never got paid for a smartphone review yet. And there's another thing, yeah, we come now to product placements. So product placements are a little bit different than sponsored videos. Now in product placements, a company is really sending you the product, sometimes for free and you can keep it, sometimes they pay a fee, and it's like you have to feature this product somehow, you have to use it or review it. But well, as I've told you, I never got paid for a review or something like that. And also you have to be really careful, so never sell your opinion. I'm pretty sure there are channels out there selling their opinion. That means if you get a crappy product, they will say it's good anyway because they're getting money. I really have to say I never got money for just changing my opinion, and I would never do that also, because if somebody finds it out, or you guys are not dumb, so if a product is shitty you will see it in the video, and if I say it's obvious great, then you guys will understand, hey, probably that ass got money for just saying it's great and it's total shit. And you can really destroy your reputation with that, and this is why I would never do something like that. And also you have to mark it as product placement so people know you got money for that, and this could influence your opinion. You know, money always influences something. But I have to say I would never sell myself for something like that, because I did build up this YouTube channel for a long time and I don't want to destroy my reputation which I got in the community. Okay, so that were product placements, and I think, yeah, that's basically almost everything where you can earn money. So you could also earn money with where you can short links, but this is basically like Adsense. So you short the link with adf.ly and you guys click it, and there's a little spot before you get redirected to the website you actually want to get to. I usually use that on my clients, and I get less than the affiliate links actually. There is also a channel which is making a lot of money out of those ADF-LY links, and this is Wizard Hacks. He's also offering those modded clients and everything, but he has like 5 in a row, he has a lot of traffic, and I'm pretty sure he's making a lot of money out of those links on YouTube. Now I left you a link down below in the description to socialblade.com, and yeah, they're basically a YouTube network, but they also have some really nice tracking API, so it shows your average daily views, subscribers, and also your estimated earnings. But well, estimated earnings doesn't really reflect the reality. So you can check out some big channels and it says there they make some millions a day. Well, yeah, could be possible, I don't know, but honestly I have to say I'm not making the maximum number which it states there. So there's a minimum income and maximum income, and I have like 30% of the maximum income. So this is what I earn with Adsense. But for sure, as I've told you, Adsense is not my only income stream. So I have those links, I have affiliates, right now no sponsored videos, but I hope soon. Then I sell some of the products. Then also I have some websites, like I have chinadevices.com. There are some banners selling forum sections, so income is coming from there. There's also AdSense in the forum, and the forum has a lot of views. So you're actually building up a huge user base, and if you gain money there and there, you can actually get some pretty good income. But I have to say, here in Austria, in Vienna, I can't really live from that, because I have to pay insurance, health insurance for myself. I have to invest the money in equipment, green screen, softboxes, camera equipment, new studio camera, really damn expensive. So I'm basically reinvesting all the money I get out of the project again in YouTube, so to get bigger reach, better video quality for you guys, better products, and this is really important if you want to grow. So for sure there are channels growing with, I don't know, they're making handy vlogs or something like that. So you can actually get famous with everything as long as you be true to yourself and you be real. So with that I mean, don't sell yourself, and also, yeah, don't just try to copy somebody. I tried it in the beginning, and copying somebody is not really cool. So just be yourself, and also if you're a reviewer, be honest, guys. This is really important. So if a product is shit, then just say the product is shit. For instance, I've taken the Alor apart, I just bend it and all that, and yeah, a company was flaming me, why did you do that, we had such negative reviews, but the product was just shit. So I just said the product is shit, Elephone doesn't send me any samples anymore, so I actually get them through other shops, but well, I don't care. The product was crappy, and the information is really important. Alright guys, so that's it. Also another community project is going on right now, and that's the Minecraft server. So yeah, the Minecraft server is back again. I'm hosting this now on a 30GB dedicated. It's also really expensive, so actually I pay over €100 for the server, which is also running TeamSpeak and all that, and some websites. So you see, they're running costs and they're really expensive, like also the office here. It costs a lot. But yeah, you can find a link down below in the description to itxcraft.com. It's the new forum. And basically I just want that you guys just check it out. If you're interested in participating, just register in the forum, and we have a thread going on right now, and it's a voting thread. Right now I just want to get ideas. What games do you want? Like what mini games, which worlds, which plugins? So if you're familiar with plugins, just leave me some plugins down below. We try to get custom ones, but well, we need to get some coders which are also reliable and trustable and all that. But anyway, the community project is coming soon, so stay tuned. Don't miss any other Minecraft Monday, so make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below. And yeah, I'm not robbing you, so I'm not taking the money out of your pockets, but I'm earning money here on YouTube, and you can do it too if you're interested. So if you like YouTube, if you like what you're doing, if you like videos, then just try it guys, and I promise you in 1 or 2 years you'll be at the same position like I'm here right now, and you're earning a little bit of money on YouTube. Now thanks for watching, have a nice day, and bye bye.